Question 1. What are the core obligatory practices of the Islamic faith called? Options are A. The 6 Articles of Faith, B. The 5 Pillars of Islam, C. The 10 Commandments. The correct answer is option B, the 5 Pillars of Islam.
Question 2. What is the first pillar of Islam? Options are A. Salah, prayer, B. Shahada, declaration of faith, C. Zakat, charity.
The correct answer is option B, Shahada, declaration of faith. Question 3. What is the second pillar of Islam? Options are A. Zakat, charity, B. Salah, prayer, C. Hajj, pilgrimage. The correct answer is option B, Salah, prayer.
Question 4. What is the third pillar of Islam? Options are A. Psalm, fasting, B. Hajj, pilgrimage, C. Zakat, charity.
The correct answer is option C, Zakat, charity. Question 5. What is the fourth pillar of Islam? Options are A. Hajj, pilgrimage, B. Psalm, fasting, C. Salah, prayer. The correct answer is option B, Psalm, fasting. Question 6. What is the fifth pillar of Islam? Options are A. Hajj, pilgrimage, B. Zakat, charity, C. Shahada, declaration of faith. The correct answer is option A, Hajj, pilgrimage. Question 7. How many major heavenly books were revealed by Allah? Options are A. 3, B. 4, C. 5. The correct answer is option B, 4. Question 8. Which prophet, alayhi salam, received the Torah? Options are A. Prophet Isa, alayhi salam, B. Prophet Musa, alayhi salam, C. Prophet Dawood, alayhi salam. The correct answer is option B, Prophet Musa, alayhi salam. Question 9. Which heavenly book was revealed to Prophet Dawood, alayhi salam? Options are A. Injil, B. Zabur, C. Quran. The correct answer is option B, Zabur. Question 10. Which prophet received the Injil? Options are A. Prophet Musa, alayhi salam, B. Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, C. Prophet Isa, alayhi salam. The correct answer is option C, Prophet Isa, alayhi salam. Question 11. Which heavenly book was revealed over a period of 23 years to Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Options are A. Taurat, B. Quran, C. Zabur. The correct answer is option B, Quran. Question 12. Which is the final and last heavenly book revealed by Allah? Options are A. Injil, B. Torah, C. Quran. The correct answer is option C, Quran.